Are you worried about what other work opportunities available after studying in Canada? In this video, we will be discussing the postgraduate work permit, its duration, and its eligibility criteria. At the end of the video, we will be discussing how to get employment with and without an off-campus work permit. Before we move on, do like and subscribe our channel to get the constant update about studying abroad. Higher education coupled with living expense is quite expensive, and job opportunities after the course become an important deciding factor in choosing the country to study abroad. The availability of jobs after the completion of the course is also an important factor in choosing particular specializations by the candidate. The country's policy towards offering work opportunities to its international students is often one of the most important reasons for a student to choose it to pursue higher education. Conductive work policies benefit the student as it is not financially viable to return to the home country after earning an expensive educational qualification. Canada has earned a lot of goodwill amongst international students for its student-friendly post-study work visa regulations. Now, let's talk about the gateway to jobs in Canada through postgraduate work permit. The postgraduate work permit program allows international students who have completed an educational degree from a participating Canadian post-secondary institution to be able to work after study in Canada. International students who gain skilled Canadian work experience may also qualify to apply for permanent residence through the Canadian Experience class. The postgraduate work permit program is beneficial to candidates who want more time to look for suitable employment and is also the first step to take for candidates who want to ultimately acquire Canadian citizenship. This is because if a candidate is sufficiently skilled and has the requisite work experience, he or she can become a citizen of Canada under the Express Entry scheme. Now we will talk about the duration of postgraduate work permit program. The postgraduate work permit program allows the candidate to work for a period equal to the duration of the program of study the candidate has pursued in Canada. The maximum duration of a work permit under the PGWPP is 3 years. This means that the work permit is not offered for a period longer than the length program of study completed by the candidate. The minimum duration of work after the study in Canada offered under the PGWPP is 8 months. Candidates who are pursuing courses in Canada which are less than 8 months in duration are not eligible. Also, whether a candidate is pursuing a 3-year course or a 4-year course, the work permit offered under the PGWPP will be 3 years only. Now that we have learned about PGWPP and its duration, let's discuss about its eligibility criteria. To be eligible to get a permit to work after study in Canada, the candidates has to fulfill certain preconditions. The main criteria which make a candidate eligible for the work permit is a minimum study duration of 8 months in a Canadian designated learning institution. Additionally, the candidate must also fulfill the following criteria. So the first criteria is the candidate must be at least 18 years of age when applying. The second criteria is they have pursued a full-time program of study in Canada for at least 8 months. The third criteria is they must have graduated from a public post-secondary school such as a trade technical school, university or college. The fourth criteria is the private secondary or post-secondary school must offer programs of duration 900 hours or longer for the professional diploma or should be a private Canadian institution that can legally award degrees. The fifth criteria is apply for the PGWP within 90 days of completion of the educational program. The sixth criteria is have a valid study permit while applying for the PGWP. The seventh criteria is the PGWP is not offered to candidates who have studied in Canada for more than 8 months but have done so intermittently. The eighth criteria is candidates who have taken a semester off during their course are also not eligible to work after study in Canada. The ninth criteria is additionally candidates who already possess a work permit associated with any other program of study are also ineligible. So guys, now we'll see the transition from graduation to employment. In this, we will discuss about the off-campus work permit and without off-campus work permit. So in off-campus work permit, candidates are not required to surrender the off-campus permit in order to apply for the postgraduate work permit program and can take up full-time or part-time employment provided that the candidate holds a valid Canadian visa. So now we will discuss about how to get employment without an off-campus work permit. In this, if candidates plan to work to explore opportunities to work after study in Canada and aspire work off campus but don't have a work permit, the candidate is required to apply for the same before the expiration of his or her student visa. Once the candidate obtains the PGWP, he or she may take up any kind of employment in Canada. Due to all this, Canada has become one of the most suitable destinations for higher education. So guys, that's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can let us know in the comment section below. Also, do check out our playlist named Study in Canada by clicking on the I button. Until then, take the leap and I will see you in the next video.